So I had to go to work and I let this thing print, and I just got home and this is what I found. You're not going to believe what I found on my printer. Hey everybody, welcome back inside the mind of Matt. If you watched last episode, I was printing orange, and this is what I printed. It is it's a Thingiverse thing, you know, because that's what we like to do is Thingiverse stuff. But it's a nice little platform jack, and it's printed all as one. And well, had a little problems, pulled away from the bed a little bit. Other than that, everything else printed almost perfect. Inside this top piece, you know, it strings back and forth, so at the bottom there's a little bit of drooping, a little bit of sagging, but I didn't stop. I showed you that I was going to print some more. I showed you a little preview, and this is what I printed after. And this in itself is a work of art, but what this is a hairy lion. So I'm gonna cut off the supports, and we're gonna take a look at what's inside of this. Printed almost flawlessly. Once again, it's Thingiverse. Put the link down in the description. Pin it on a raft. Just coming off. Perfect. Alright, I'm going to get to a better workstation, and we're going to work on cutting all these hairs out. So I'm not sure exactly how to go about this, but alright, so here's one hairy lion. How do you take care of a hairy lion? Oh, with a heat gun. Only when it's made of plastic.